Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you kind of my end of summer morning routine. I'm in my dorm now because I'm an RA at college, and so I had to move back early because a lot of people move back early for sorority recruitment, and I'm earlier than that by a week for training. So I've kind of gotten into a nice routine here. I've been waking up pretty early. So far it is, at this point, it's almost 8 now. Before that, I've been waking up at like 6 something or 7 something every morning. Usually 7. But I've been getting up and having like a kind of nice routine, and so I thought it'd be nice to show you all that, because before I was waking up closer to 9 or 10 and didn't have too much of a routine, but here I kind of do have one, and I was just gonna take you along for that. If you're new here though, be sure to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and leave a like if you want. The first thing I do is usually I end up scrolling through social media. I already did that this morning and it's kind of boring, so we'll just skip that. No, I'm trying to actually cut back on my social media usage, y'all, which is kind of funny coming from a YouTuber, but I've been putting limits on my usage because you can go in settings under screen time and do that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop up and I'm gonna put on a face mask for my skin. Okay, so welcome to my medicine cabinet. Oh, yesterday one of my residents left a really nice note and that made me want to cry, so that I put on my mirror. Those notes, if you're wondering, those were from my roommate last year, and I needed something to give me some motivation, and I put them all up because they're nice. Now welcome to my medicine cabinet. This is my fave place in my room. So in the medicine cabinet, we have technically vitamins and medicine here. We have kind of skincare stuff. That's my lipsticks. I just thought they were pretty, so I kept them there. They kind of blend in. Then we've got Mario Badescu. Uh-oh, where's my... Oh, there's something I did not return to my medicine cabinet. I take this when I don't feel very good, and I think I'm gonna take some this morning. Okay, I have you balancing on my shelf. This is like the perfect height for filming. I'm kind of excited. So first thing we do in the morning, we take our vitamins. This is one a day for her. This is non-sponsored. This is just what I've been using for a few years. I've probably been using this since I was like 15 or 16. I hate how I sound right now, and I think at some point it's gonna change when I wake up more, but right now I just have a weird morning voice. They're little gummies. This next thing I'm taking right now, I don't take every morning, but I just want to include for y'all because I think it will change your life. This is elderberry. Okay, so if you're wondering, elderberry is not like, it's not medicine, but it's also not like elderberry syrup dietary supplement. Okay, that's an odd thing to call it. This is something that I take when I feel a little run down recently because all the girls have gotten here and we've been working so hard. Some of my friends are getting sick and I spend time with them. I'm trying to kind of spend a little less time with them because we're being smart about this, but I'm gonna take some elderberry. You can get this at like a Sprouts, Whole Foods kind of place, sometimes Walgreens. I would so highly recommend this, and whenever you feel like your immune system is going to be a little low, this is what I take. This is how I end up not getting the flu sometimes, but this is a big thing y'all should get if you're going into college. The next thing I'm going to add to this little morning routine, my mask of Magnum and tea. I think I just showed this in a haul this week, but I'm obsessed with it, so I'm going to pull back my hair and throw on this mask. This stuff feels so good on your skin. You look a little crazy if you're green. Oh, there's a hair. Ew. But for now, we leave this on for 15 minutes and go do other stuff. I look so crazy looking. This is also the time when, okay, it's 8:05 now. This is when I like to hop on and listen to a podcast. You never know what I'm gonna listen to in the morning. I feel like I either listen to like sermons or like YouTubers podcasts. Depends on the mood I'm in. Oh, I have an episode I was listening to the other day. I was listening to Views and I was 12 minutes in, so I'm gonna finish listening to Views while I make my bed and get ready. I think most of today I am going to be in the dorm until this evening, so I'm throwing on some high-waisted shorts and just a casual shirt, my Birkenstocks, and yeah, I'm just gonna wear that today because we're doing trivia at our dorm, and then we're gonna, I don't know, I think I'm working later today, so I just need to look presentable, but not too fancy. Hi, so my microphone cut out here, but here's my cute shirt for the day, my shorts, and this is my look. So I finished with my skincare. I got everything makeup-wise on my face. My hair's kind of just gonna be what it is today. I've been like putting it up in a ponytail a lot. It's currently 8:37, so almost 8:40. I have about 20 minutes until I'm meeting some of my friends and residents down for breakfast. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna edit a video. I'm gonna respond to an email. There's just, oh, and I'm gonna make my to-do list for today. I think I'm gonna do that like the opposite order where I said that. Normally I try and write my to-do list at night or in the morning, so I will do that now. But yeah, I work today. I have my shift right here. What? My shift is at 2. I work 2 to 4. I should probably set myself a reminder. But yeah, so I'll be like answering the phones, answering people's questions. Really exciting time. But yeah, I am so happy to be here, and it's all so fun. So I just finished responding to an email that I needed to reply to. My friends and I are supposed to meet for breakfast, and the RAs are planning some stuff. And a few of them are late, and I guess now technically I'm late. No one was gonna show up at 9, so then they were like, how about 9:15? So it's 9:05 now, and I'm gonna be late / early. I don't know what you call it. But yeah, I started actually editing this video too, which is super nice, but I'm really excited for this day. Hey y'all, this is future Jess coming at you. I forgot to film my breakfast, but I hate when YouTubers are like, I forgot to film that. I ate a bagel with cream cheese and some fruit, and I told myself today I would film my breakfast, and I forgot again. So I actually took it to go because I was in a hurry after I ate like half of it. So that's what I had for breakfast, if you're wondering. Water and a bagel, because I'm super boring. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little morning routine that was more vlog style. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see now, because I'm about to start school, but I'd love to like film as much as I can before I start to kind of have that ready. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.